Hello and welcome back to Granby's Goodies. It is me, Dave, and I'm going to do a little bit. I got some stuff in the mail, a couple different boxes from a couple of different guys, and I did some unboxing already, but I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things in the mail. This guy was kind of funny because he put like one comic in each box. I don't know who I got it from, but I'm not going to say any names. But here's one box, was some Detective Comics, 734, 752, what was that one? 757, 771, this one is, I don't know what this is. It's kind of a cool cover, War Games. Oops. And then 807. It's the last one. So that was one buy. And if you could, I know I'm just starting out here, but if you could do a like and subscribe would be awesome. There's another one. 808. 810. 813. City of Crime. 814. It looks like it must be a little bit of a run of City of Crime. I haven't really gone through these yet to read them, but hopefully we'll do that soon. This one's a pretty cool cover. 819. Sorry about that. These ones are all pretty cool covers here. It's 820. This one's pretty awesome. 821. It's a cool cover. 822. Another cool cover. 823. Looks like a little poison ivy maybe. 824. I'm assuming that's the Penguin. Another cool cover. These black and white covers are pretty cool. 829. Might be an Alan Moore story. 830. 837. Joker, Harley Quinn. And back to a color one, 841. So I'm pretty sure that was all one lot that I got, all those books. All right, the next one is just one comic I got. This one's an oldie. A Journey into Mystery number 14. Pretty good shape. Couple spine ticks maybe, but looks intact. From 1974. Then I got a run of Thanos. We're actually going to go backwards with these. Number 9. A number 8. Or I'm sorry, that was 8 to begin with, and then a 7. This one is a 6. And then a number 5. Pretty cool cover. A number 4. Another cool cover. A number 3. a number 2, and a number 1 with a nice cover on that one. Okay, then I got a run of Thor. Trying to get these over here. And these might be backwards too because I already went through them here. So we're going to start highest to lowest. Thor 244. This is The Way the World Ends. A Thor 243 with a dinosaur cover. Turmoil in the Time Stream. A 242. And 241. When Death Sails the Stars. So he's fighting skeletons there. 240. When Gods Make War. Pretty cool cover. And a 239. Alright, the next one, I think I just got a single copy of this. It is the Batman Arkham Knights GameStop exclusive. Well, it's not, I don't think it's rare or anything, I just thought it was a cool cover. Seemed pretty nice. I got an oldie here again. Wonder Woman 181. I think I got a good deal on this one. I only paid $11 for it, so it wasn't too bad. And then I got this box here. This one I gotta take the comics out of. I think these are all horror ones. Let's see here. Alright, I got Unexpected number 177. Kids getting the little head gumballs that look like creepy things. Tomb of Darkness, number 22. And these are all in pretty good shape. I got these, I don't know, I got a deal on them. And they're all like, I'd say they're near mint. There's like no spine ticks or anything on them. Corners are pretty good. That one's pretty creepy. Come Meet My Brother. Another Tomb of Darkness, number 18. The Thing on Midnight Mountain. Another Tomb of Darkness, number 15. The Man Who Wasn't There. Tomb of Darkness, number 14. I guess I'll start trying to complete this run. Like I said, if you can leave me some messages, like and subscribe so I can get going. I actually might change my name of my page, so I'd like to keep people with me if I could. Tomb of Darkness, number 12. The Vampire's Coffin.